Welcome to this cooking tutorial. Today I will show you how to make delicious crispy chips and golden fried fish at home. The recipe is simple and I will guide you step by step. First, let's look at the ingredients. You will need fresh fish, potatoes for the chips, flour, salt, and cooking oil for frying. Start by peeling the potatoes carefully. Removing the skin helps the chips cook evenly and gives them a smooth texture. Next, cut the potatoes into long strips. Try to make the pieces similar in size so they cook evenly. Wash the potatoes, slice in clean water. This removes extra starch and helps the chips become crispier when fried. Now, prepare the fish. Sprinkle a little salt for flavor and coat the fish lightly with flour. This will help create a crispy outer layer when frying. Place a frying pan on the stove and add enough cooking oil. Allow the oil to heat properly before adding the food. Carefully add the potato strips into the hot oil. Fry them until they become golden and crispy. Now, place the fish into the hot oil. Fry the fish until both sides turn golden, brown and crispy. When the chips and fish are ready, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain excess oil. And there you have it. Delicious homemade chips and crispy fried fish. Simple, tasty and perfect for any meal. Enjoy.